And welcome back to Primetime Sports Tuesday. Arnette Gardens are a step closer to a place in the final of the Red Stripe Premier League after defeating Humberland 2-1 in their first leg semi-final at the Tony Spalding Sports Complex on Monday. Karen Madden was there.
Not even a power outage just before kickoff and drenching rain could stop the hundreds that packed into the Anthony Spalding Sports Complex on Monday night. Expectations were high that it would be an exciting encounter, and the sold-out crowd was not disappointed. It was the hosts who appeared to be quicker on the ball as the league champions showed the rust of a 3-week layoff. But the Lions were able to protect their lair, and it was not until the 45th minute that Fabian Reed breached their defense on the end of a beautifully executed cross from Marvin Morgan. Drenched players went into the changing room at the half with Arnette up by that goal. The Junglists continued to press after the resumption, and with the pendulum clearly swinging their way, Vishnal Harris weaved his way through indecisive defenders to slot past Kadeem Davis in the Humber Lion goal in the 60th minute. But Arnette switched off as they celebrated, and with the red-clad supporters still sharing the 2-goal advantage, the host gave up a free kick within striking distance just 2 minutes later. Kevon Reed gobbled up the opportunity as left unmarked he headed past Damian Hyatt to bring Humber Lion back into the contest. Tempers flared then, and with players from both teams venting their fury, it was a near miracle that FIFA referee Carl Terrell did not go into his back pocket. Arnette head coach Jerome Waite was not completely satisfied, while Donovan Duke, the head coach at Humber Lion, was a displeased man.
3 points is a win, but it would be good if you didn't get one more goal.
What part of the game maybe you were disappointed with, if any at all?
Well, the midfield still need to step up. The defense line looking slick. They are pretty much organized. And, you know, O'Neal Bigger Thompson lead the charge from the back.
I thought in the first half, you saw where the format of the competition worked against us. We're inactive for 3 weeks. Nothing you can do in 3 weeks that can simulate a competitive nature. What you do in training is match related. It can never be 100%. We're playing against a team that is playing week in, week out. You saw where the 50-50 ball, we did not win. We kept getting caught in transition. We did not counter press well, our reaction was slow. And you saw where we weren't sharp.
Are you suggesting that the league should be finished after 33 games?
I agree.
Did you feel so before you got here?
I did.
The return semi-final is expected to be played at the Effortville Sports Complex next Monday. Karen Madden, TVJ Sports.